Hello, my name is Alex Johnson, and this tutorial is to help you navigate my LibGuide for healthcare inequality for women. The purpose of this LibGuide is to help locate resources available through the St. Louis County Library concerning the issue of inequality in women's healthcare. So, if you scroll down on the home page, you will see that I have provided two articles that give a little background information on the issue of women's healthcare inequality. One of those articles features an author whose book is also featured in this LibGuide, Eleanor Cleghorn. It is from Time magazine, and it goes over the long history of gender bias in medicine. Further down on the page, you will see that I have provided a list of shortcuts for the St. Louis County Library website to aid in the user process. Because most of the resources listed in this LibGuide do require the person to be an active library card user, I have provided a link for the process of creating a library card. And if you scroll up and go to the Books tab of this LibGuide, you will see that there is a list of books on the topic of healthcare inequality listed that are currently available through the St. Louis County Library catalog. They are organized by memoirs, general content, and period and menstrual health. And here is this Eleanor Cleghorn book we were talking about, Unwell Women. If you click on the link provided, it will take you to that particular book's bibliographic record in the St. Louis County Library online catalog, and there is a link for you to easily be able to place a hold on any materials you are interested in requesting. And the final page of this LibGuide catalogs the online resources available through both the St. Louis County Library website as well as some other outside information, including some online videos that go over the issue of gender inequality and some organizations for which this is a key topic of interest. But you will see I have listed the various online databases that would easily provide information on this topic and links to get to them through the St. Louis County Library website. I hope that this has been an informative tutorial, and I hope that it helps you locate more information on women's healthcare inequality. Thank you.